So we are back and I'm going to be cutting my hair today again. I recently got a haircut in October. I remember this day where I got my haircut. It was very impromptu. I had my hair grown out quite long, so I decided to go to the hairdressers for the first time in like 10 years. The last time I went was 2014 to like a proper hairdresser. First off, I need to put the top part of my hair up. Clearly this is the reason why I have not done a half up half down in years, because I just don't think it looks good anymore. I look like a man, like I look like a boy who's just grown out their hair, you know, and then they put up half of their hair. Okay, so I have a mirror in front of me and a mirror beside me. Here we go. And I might potentially be going outside into the real world tomorrow, so this is kind of a bad idea, the fact that I want to cut my hair on a day before going out. Let's just cut it. Hair is hair at the end of the day. It grows back. We're gonna be fine. It's a little experimentation. Now, you know, like the first snip and then you're like, actually I do regret doing this. Yes! Oh my god, I already love it. Nice. That already looks pretty good. This side doesn't look as promising as the other side. Yes. Okay. Is it even? I don't know. Things need to be done now, you know. I cannot be waiting anymore. Things have to be done now. If the back is good or not, I don't think it is. God, that's not good. I don't think the back is gonna be good. Should we do a check? You know what? It's fine, I can get someone to fix it. Now let's let the top part down. We literally just cut it. I don't know, y'all. I'm just going with the flow here. This is not. This side is always really hard. Gosh darn it. Oh no, did I fuck that up? I think I did. Should I go even shorter, or is that a little bit too much? Do you really want like something like this? Something a bit more choppy, like that's really what I want. Now we need to do the bang. What do you guys think? Should I do like the proper wispy bangs, or is that too? I mean, this looks good. Okay, so we have, here is the bang, right? Wow, that looks great. I think this is not right. Okay, so we have this one on right. Right, yep, okay. This is all the band, yep. And this is all the band. Okay, yep. I feel like there should be more of it somehow. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. So all I know is when you do bang, you should do like this little snippety snip. So let's do that. No thoughts, I just did that, you know. Oh shit. Like that's not a good thing to do. You cut it down like this. Oh shit. Wait, I don't think that looks, wait, but it's kind of what I want. It's all a process. Wait, how am I gonna do this side? How do people do this side? Oh shit, how do I, like, oh my god. So we do it from here, right? Okay, I've got it. Okay, I'm kind of getting there. I think that's kind of what I want. Okay. That looks pretty cool, you know? Tell me right now. You gotta comment and tell me yes or no. The most replies will mean that I cut it. And if no, then I won't. I'm waiting. Oh crap, I forgot how to do this. Do a little matchy match. Good if I don't match it up right. Obviously I don't want it too short, like, you know, it's gotta be like, let me know if I did a good job or not. I'm gonna just leave it here and then I'm gonna wash my hair and see how it looks. Maybe I will, you know, carry on with it. This is what happens when I'm at the desk and working for 8 hours straight. I have the temptation to cut my hair straight after because I I'm bored and I like to change things up. So I'm back. So I just came out the shower and I've just dried my hair, and here is what it's looking like. I kind of want like this, you know, like more going on, like a bit more. So I'm feeling like cutting it again just so that there's more, but I feel like that's also kind of crazy. Am I like doing too much, or is this enough? I don't know. I think I'll think about that later, but for now I think it's pretty good. It looks pretty good. So yeah, that's the final look, guys, and I'll probably fix it later on. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now finally a goodbye, good night, peace, love, rubber gloves, peace, love. I will see you guys later. Bye.